This is the hand wheel on this Toshiba vertical borer TUE 15. The X and the Z you select on the hand wheel as well as the increment, so you've only got 1 micron and 10 micron options, so you can't really move very fast with the hand wheel on this machine. You're probably better off using the jog. It's a remote hand wheel, which is what you'd expect on this machine because it's a big machine. You need to be able to move around when you're using this hand wheel. Be particularly careful if you're inside the machine when you're using this, because it is still the full power of the machine. This is your door lock key switch. Don't try to open the door without turning this key switch. You can damage the door mechanism, so don't try and force the door. The only way to open the door is to turn this key to unlock the door. With this control, it's important to remember that you need to add an extra 0 to your speeds. So S, if you wanted a speed of 50, you'd have to type in G97 S500 and an M3, which would start your spindle at 50 RPM. So you press your cycle start key. Just remember, you've got to close the door, and your spindle will start then at 50 RPM. You do have to be particularly careful with the speeds on this machine. I'm starting it here at 1000 S1000, which is 100 RPM, but you can see that's pretty quick on this machine. If I type in an M5, you'll see just how long it takes it to slow down. So your G50 on this machine is really important. That's restricting your speed. Start the spindle forwards in the manual mode. Press these 2 buttons. There you go, that's the spindle running. To stop the spindle, just press the red button. If you just press forwards, then the spindle will jog, or if you press the reverse, it'll jog. So there's a jog lock, which is that white button there. Set a feed rate in jog. Press that button, press the 2 together, let go, and then it'll jog. Just press the red button then to stop it, or just hit reset. That'll stop it as well. This is your 0 return mode. Once you press Z0, it will continue on its own till it hits 0. Same with your X. 0 turn lights come on when it gets there. They'll flash while it's on its way.